Well, scientists are absolutely stunned over the fact that the moon is beginning to rust. How is this even possible? We're going to break it down, guys. Before I go any further, if you enjoy my daily content here on YouTube, I encourage you, help support my ministry over on Patreon. You can do so for as little as just $5 a month at patreon.com/conservativetruth. That link in the description gets you access to all of my bonus content, over 20 different podcasts where we talk about sensitive information. You guys always get the alerts too for anything that posts on that platform, unlike YouTube where you're not getting the alerts and you guys have missed a ton of my content. So when you get done watching this video, browse back to see what it is that you've missed. Got to send a special shout out again to Gigi, who recently became a $5 patron. Thank you so much, Gigi, for that support. It means a lot to me. Now guys, please like this video, share it, hit the bell, subscribe, and I wear the glasses because I'm blind. Now, like I said, the moon is starting to rust. This was a very interesting discovery here by scientists who said that they didn't even think this was possible. Now, they're looking into things and trying to figure out, what could have possibly led to it. Now, we know that, there was water, obviously, that was discovered on the moon. And so they think that there's a possibility that they underestimated the amount of, minerals that were originally there on the moon. And if this water somehow interacted with the rocks in a way that would form this rust, that is a possibility. Although just the conditions of the moon alone, it doesn't make it, sound feasible. But they think that the Earth could be playing a role in this as well due to the gravitational pull. This could be causing rust to form. But let me just point something out here about what the Bible says about the last days, because I always like to bring a sort of spiritual significance into this, like a prophecy type of a thing, because the Bible even says that when it comes to Christ's return, the second coming, there would be signs in the sun, the moon, and the stars. So those signs could be anything. The Bible says it specifically, the signs in the sun, the moon, and the stars. Well, we know that the moon has given us signs before, right? When we talk about the blood moons. The blood moons have obviously shown that. Those are harbingers of things to come. Those are often, meaning warnings for America, also Israel, other parts of the world. Okay, but now we're not talking about a blood moon here. We're talking about actual signs of rust forming on the moon. If you look at the sun, look what's going on with the sun. Many expect that to be completely burned out one day. With solar flares and everything that's going on, the earth itself is getting ready to pass away. The Bible tells us this is going to happen. These are all signs, more birth pangs, that Christ is coming back soon. Now, a scientist isn't going to tell you that unless they're a born-again believer. But, they're going to do their research and they're going to try to look for a natural cause for this to happen. Like, why is the rust forming on the moon? But we know as Christians, we look to the Bible. Well, it's obvious to us that this was already foretold. The prophecy already foretold that we would see these things start to take place. The earth is getting ready for the arrival of the Messiah, Jesus Christ. The rapture is imminent, the second coming. The millennial reign, that Christ is going to be reigning on the earth for 1,000 years. Ladies and gentlemen, it is all beginning to happen. What do you think, though? Let me know down below in the comment section. I'll also put a link in the description if you guys would like to check out some pictures here of the moon that they had discovered with the rust and everything that was forming. You might enjoy that. Again, I welcome your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll be back with more. You guys take care. Please be safe out there. God bless each and every single one of you, and I'll talk with you soon.